Joining us now is ACT Teachers Representative Antonio Tino. Good morning, Kong. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, good morning to you and good morning to everyone. Thank you for having me here.
All right, Kong, baka you could help us understand in the public why you withdraw your support sa substitute bill. What made you decide to do that?
Well, because yung substitute bill, far from prohibiting political dynasties, actually encourages yung tinatawag ng mga fat dynasties.
Right.
Sabihin, yung sabay-sabay tapos may nag-expand horizontally and vertically ng mga dynasties. Ibig sabihin, ang pinagbabawal lang dito ay magkamag-anak within the second degree of consanguinity or affinity. Ibig sabihin hanggang for example, tito. Gano'n,
Okay.
no? Tapos, ang bawal lang ay kapag ka sa isang government unit, for example, isang LGU, ay sabay kayo. So, hindi pwede yun. No? So, for example, mayor ka, tapos hindi pwede na may vice mayor or konsehal ka
At
na
the same
kamag-anak mo.
Mm-mm.
Pero pwede naman na mayor ka sa bayang ito, yung asawa mo, mayor sa kabilang bayan, governor yung isa pang kamag-anak, congressman ng isang district, congressman ng district, isang senador, isang national official, pwede yun. No? So, really, it instead of prohibiting dynasties, it institutionalizes a certain kind of dynasty. No, very limited yung pinagbabawal niya. For example, ang ipagbabawal dito, yung mga magkakapatid or magkamag-anak sa Senado. Or yung presidente at saka senador or congressman na magkasabay. Kasi parehong mga national.
Well, it's
But
good,
apart
Kong.
from that,
Go ahead.
apart from that ay pwede na yung mga binanggit ko on very extensive political dynasties.
Pero Kong, it's good you pointed this out, no? But do you see this version that you're talking about, getting support para ihabol daw sa sona ng Pangulo as part of his bragging rights?
Mukhang ganun ang isang posibilidad. That's why minadali. No? As I described it as railroading nga, no? Kasi
Yes, Kong.
Yes,
So,
Kong,
nawawala po kayo.
Can you repeat that part lang, Kong? Nawala po kayo.
Hello? Kong, can you hear us okay? We'll try to get
naputol
him
din
back.
niya. Sayang, maganda yung pinag-usapan.
Oo. Kasi this portion or this version of anti-political dynasty is the one being endorsed by the House leadership
Yes.
itself. Pero yun nga sinasabi nila, watered down ito. Kumbaga parang meron pa rin pagkakataon, it still allows itong version na to na magkaroon ng sabay-sabay na mga posisyon sa gobyerno ang mga magkakamag-anak.
Because sa spirit kasi ng Constitution, what the anti-political dynasty bill should address is yung control over a specific location. Kasi if you have control over that, corruption can flourish.
Yes.
So, pero dito sa watered down version, kamag-anak mo pwede maging governor, tapos ikaw mayor, may control ka.
Ganda nga nung pinopoint out nila because the Constitution says prohibit dynasty. Pero ito daw kasi regulates.
Oo.
So it doesn't say in the Constitution na regulate. So dapat sundan natin na prohibit. Pero ang mangyayari naman dyan, just in case kung mukhang ito ay papasa sa Kongreso, we will see kung ano ang magiging tugon ng Senado regarding
You have
this.
to remember the Senate has their own versions. Madaming
Yes.
version ng Senado dyan.
But I also want to know through Congressman Tino kasi, ang kanilang block, yung Makabayan block, they've also endorsed a version of anti-political dynasty before, which is House Bill 209, na ang sinasabi nga ng mga iba, no, ng mga nag-aaral tungkol dito sa anti-political dynasty is the strongest version. Although talagang magkakaroon ka ng mga disagreeing body because yung mostly of the people composed in the Congress belong to the dynasty also. Okay, so we have Congressman Tino back on the line. Kong,
Yes.
as you were saying.
Opo. Yes. Yeah. una, talagang niratsyada ni Railroad dahil may 26 versions. Usually dadaan muna yan sa technical working group to come up with a consolidated
Right.
version. Wala man lang anumang discussion on key issues. Like for example, yung degree of consanguinity.
Yeah.
Second ba, third, fourth, walang discussion at all.
Oo.
Yung kung pwede bang may sabay, no? Kung tatanggapin yung may sabay na magkakamag-anak, ilan ang pwede. May mga sa amin dapat walang sabay.
Oo.
Pero may proposal, dalawa lang. May maximum na dalawa lang.
Oo.
Dito unlimited essentially as long as hindi kayo sa same
Place.
governmental unit, ano?
Oo.
So, walang anumang discussion doon. Basta, sabi, yung version na lang ng speaker at saka ng majority leader, Speaker Boji Santa Marcos, yun na lang daw ang i-adapt. No? And so nga, and so, to your question, mukhang posibleng gustong ihabol ito before the summer. Although, what I will say is that napakalaki nung gap or disparity between this version that was approved in committee and yung na-approve na sa committee level ng Senate.
Oo,
Sa
yun nga
Senate,
eh.
ano lang eh.
Oo. Oo.
Dalawa lang, parang gano'n.
That's right, that's right. So doon magkakatalo pa rin sa version din ng Senate if ever. Pero yun nga po no, it's good that na-mention nga po doon yung inyong pag-atras, yung Makabayan Block, na nakalagay po sa Constitution natin ay prohibit dynasty. Pero itong version nila ay regulates. Yun nga po yung inyong pinupunto dito. I was wondering what happened po doon sa version po ninyo na ang sinasabi po ng mga expert, yung mga nag-aaral ng anti-political dynasty, ito yung strongest Yung version po ninyo talagang hindi po pwedeng payagan na sabay-sabay yung magkakamag-anak. Kung kumbaga, like yung sa Senate, di ba ilan yung magkakapatid doon na senador? Hindi po pwede yun. So, what happened there? Hindi po talaga sinuportahan, Kong?
Well, what happened there is simply na sinet aside lahat. No? So, both yung sinasabing yung prohibition talaga, yung bill namin really prohibits dynasties kasi yun ang mandato ng Constitution. Yung ibang versions, they regulate na ngayon, ang usapin na lang dito, gaano kalakas ba yung regulation. So, dito sa version na pinili, talagang very minimal yung regulation.
Oo.
Only in certain cases will dynasties be prohibited. Like, yun nga, for example, yung example ng Senado, hindi pwede yun.
Oo.
Pagkakapatid. Apart from that, halos pwede na lahat. Pero meron din namang mga, let's call it middle ground, yung sa Senate version, I would call it something like that. Kaya lang, yun nga, wala nang debate, wala nang discussion, walang technical working group, walang nothing, basta sabi, ito nang i-approve natin.
Oo.
So, at gano'n naman, dineliver yung boto nung majority. So, yan na ngayon, para sa atin, at least this House version will in fact encourage or legalizes fat dynasties, so-called fat dynasties.
Right.
So, Kong, we're no longer talking about prohibiting dynasties. Ang discussion ngayon in both houses ay the word regulate. Yun na lang ang...
Regulation.
Are we resigned to that fact na hanggang regulation na lang tayo ngayon?
Of course, hindi ang position natin, no? Ang malinaw para sa atin, parang forthwith to Pag sinabi mo prohibit, no? Pero supposedly, ang sinasabi nila, well, kung talagang absolute prohibition, wala daw papasa sa Kongreso, so regulate na lang tayo. Parang ganun yung thinking ng mga iba, no, na nag-advocate na hanap tayo ng middle ground. No? So this is prohibition. Ngayon, ang problema sa House version nga, sobra naman. Halos wala ka ng pinagbawal.
Yeah.
No? At parang yung no, there will be, the consequences will be that dynasties will really seek to expand beyond their hometown, home province, etc. In the same way na yung kumbaga may ganyan ang so-called unintended consequence yan, in the same way na yung term limits resulted in expansion of dynasties, in order to go around the term limits.
Well, we have so much questions but unfortunately we don't have much time. Sa susunod na lang po ulit. Maraming salamat po, ACT Teachers Representative Antonio Tino.
Thank you. Good morning po.
Morning.